everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment in our food adulteration. So today the experiment that we are going to perform is a detection of mineral oil in a carbonated beverages. Okay, so this is our sample, that is your carbonated beverages. So in that sample, what we have to do, we have to detect that is there any adulteration of mineral oil take place or not. So we have to detect it. Now, if our adulteration terms are come, then we have to know that what is this adulteration means. So simply, adulteration is defined as addition of a substance into a food product which is not the part of that food product, which is not the ingredients of that food product, and it will cause a adverse health effect, and also the quality of the product decreases, but the quantity of that product increases, the price of that product increases, or the product becomes cheaper, then it is called adulteration. Adulteration are also defined as a substitute of the ingredients. Suppose that we have a ingredient, we have a food product A. Okay, now what manufacturers or that local supplier do, they eliminate the good ingredient from that food product and add the bad ingredients. Then it will also come under the category of adulteration. And the substance which are used in adulteration are called adulterants. Okay. So here we are going to detect the mineral oil. So mineral oil is act as the adulterant and sample is our carbonated beverages. Now, why this mineral oil are added into the carbonated beverages? The answer is very simple: to enhance the quantity of the beverages. Okay, only the one reason is that the increase the quantity of that carbonated beverages, but it also have a health effect, like mineral oil become create a many health problem into a human being. That's why we have to detect this mineral oil into our carbonated beverages. So for performing this experiment, we required a metanol yellow indicator. This is your metanol yellow indicator. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you how we prepare this metanol yellow indicator. For this, we dip our filter paper into a metanol yellow solution. Okay. Now, what is this metanol yellow solution? See, first of all, we have to prepare a solution that is called a metanol yellow solution. It is prepared by dissolving a 1 gram of this metanol yellow into a 100 ml of distilled water. When it is completely dissolved, we leave it for a 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we take a strip of a filter paper and dip into this metanol yellow solution, and again we leave it for a 5 minutes. Then after that, we remove this strip of the filter paper from that solution, and our metanol yellow indicator are ready. Okay, then this is our carbonated beverages. This is our measuring cylinder that we require for performing this experiment. So what we have to do, simply we take our 10 ml of carbonated beverages. You have to avoid the bubbles. Okay, now this is 10 ml. Transfer it into the another beaker. Now we have to dip this metanol yellow indicator into the carbonated beverages. If this metanol yellow indicator change into a pink color, then it means that there is a adulteration of that mineral oil are take place in a carbonated beverages. But you can see that there is no color change of that indicator. It is still yellow in color, which means that our carbonated beverages are not adulterating with that mineral oil. If it change into a pink color, then this is your endpoint and it indicates that there is a presence of that mineral oil into a carbonated beverages. But if there is no change, then our sample are not adulterating. So this is all about the today's experiment. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.